Hi guys, I'm Muna. Our Thai clients bought our machine last year and load the effect, so they ordered another machine because limited factory and use nano abrasive for processing. We customized sand-mounted separator and integrated secondary separated with dust collector. Good sand can be reused to keep results steady. We also add anti-static and air gas to make cleaner.
If you want to learn more, please contact us. Thank you.
记得点赞关注哦。